Amazon.com has DEWALT 20 volt XR jigsaw brushless for $142. You save 35%. Another deal at Amazon.com, you got DEWALT 20 volt max brushless impact wrench for $129. You save around $50. Another deal at Amazon.com, you got DEWALT metal shears attachment impact ready for $45. You save almost 50%. This is a great deal at Amazon.com. You got DEWALT 20 volt max brushless orbital sander for $139. You save 30%. This is the whole kit. You get a battery charger and the sander and the back. Another DEWALT tool at Amazon.com. You got 20 volt max XR brushless multi-tool with battery charger and bag and blade for $138. You save 22%. All the links will be in the bottom. Make sure you like, subscribe for more deals daily.